Hey, here I am with the PS4 controller, and I'm going to show you how you can plug it wireless and wired into your PS5 Slim. So as you can see, currently it is working as a wireless controller, but first of all I'm going to get rid of it and show you step by step. So I have to select it in the settings and tap to delete from the list. There we go. And now the only pad that is working is for sure the DualSense controller. So I have to plug the cable back and click the PlayStation button. There we go. So what we have to do to connect this controller wired. So on the back you can find the input for the micro USB right here, and you have to actually find the same cable with this input. That's this cable. Take a look. We have to plug it right here, actually like this. And the second end of this cable we have to plug into our PS5 Slim. And we have to click on this PlayStation button. And now, when it will be highlighted, we'll be able to log in with our account by clicking X. And as you can see right now, we can use it. And if you want to use it wired, all you have to do is just to unplug this cable. And as you can see right now, we are connected with the PS4 Gamepad. And right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.